close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another vlog, and in today's video it is an end month Sunday reset. I'm going to be sharing with you most of the things that I do on a Sunday so that I can be ready for the week that is following. And guys, I just started by taking my breakfast. This is a breakfast that I had placed an order for, so I had some burger and some fries. So we are going to take this first and then the day begins. After having my breakfast, I'm going to be doing laundry so that I can be ready and have clean clothes for the next week. I'm going to leave the clothes cleaning for the first 15 minutes and then I'm going out so that I can be able to spray paint my lantern. This is the olden days lantern. I'm going to be spray painting it in gold and see if I can make a decor piece out of it. So guys, stay tuned and see what comes at the end. Always remember to glove up when using any spray paint because it can stick on your hands. And guys, I'm going to be using an instant drying paint. Once I'm done with the first coat of the spray paint, I'm going to leave the lantern here so that it can dry up. Meanwhile, I'll be checking on my first load of clothes. By now it's clean and it's time to rinse them and spin them dry. Guys, as I'm airing my clothes, this is just a reminder. If you who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, comment and share. Another task that I love doing on Sunday is preparing my next week's breakfast, and today I'm going to be preparing a homemade burger. Recipe will be dropping soon in this channel, so stay tuned, subscribe if you've not, and turn on the notification bell. Guys, self-care is very important. Please always try to do something for yourself, either daily, weekly, monthly, wherever you choose to. So guys, today I usually take care of my face by scrubbing the face and masking the face. I don't do a complicated face care routine. On Sundays, this is how my face looks. I'm going to just scrub it and then mask it. For scrubbing, I'm using apricot, pawpaw body and face scrub. My face is already wet, so I'm going to apply ample of the scrub, then massage it on my face very gently and also apply it to my neck so that I can be able to scrub my neck, though you can scrub your neck when scrubbing your body. I am truly enjoying this funny look moment before I rinse it. It's now time to rinse my face. Feels so soft, by the way. The skin feels so soft and smooth. So guys, remember to always pat your face when drying up. Do not rub your face. And then I'm going to go in with the mask. I'm going to be using a tea tree face mask. So I apply ample amount on my face and then leave it for 3 minutes so that it can get absorbed in my face. So for the 3 minutes, I'm here jamming to a music that I was so loving at the moment and also loving my funny face. So I'm going to rinse this, pat it, and then use my always to go moisturizer, which is shea butter from Dew Point. And then always remember to use your sunscreen, either leaving the house or not. We'll go. Something that I should have done before scrubbing and masking my face is shaping my eyebrows, but I'm going to be doing that at the moment. I'm going to shape these eyebrows using this foldable razor. I'm going to just cut off the extra hairs just below the micro shaded part of the eyebrow. When you have micro shaded eyebrows or micro bladed eyebrows, it's easy for you to clean up your eyebrows and shape them. And guys, just like that, I have my eyebrows clean and shaped. It's a quick and fast fix of the eyebrow, and that's the cute look. It's now time to iron my tomorrow's clothes, my uniform, and the clothes that I'm going to go to work with, and also for my husband. I usually try to do this as quick as possible, but it usually takes a lot of time for me, so I usually prefer doing it today so that it can save me more time in the morning. I prefer steam ironing because it usually like prevent me from burning clothes, because if I don't use steam, guys, I'm going to burn these clothes. I usually burn my clothes, so I prefer steam ironing. Guys, I usually always advise you to change your toothbrush at the end or at the beginning of the month, and therefore here I am changing our toothbrush and saying hello new month. Once that's all is done and set, I'm going to get ready and go to Decor so that I can be able to meet my mom. We had planned to meet today. This is my face. It looks so good and fantamagorious. Before getting ready, I have to finish what I had started. I had to finish spraying up the lantern. There are some parts that I had not sprayed because I couldn't turn the lantern since the other sides were not dry. So I'm leaving it here to dry. It's now time to style this short hair of mine. Most of you have been asking me how I style it. I don't go to salon every other day. Actually, I've never gone back to the salon or to the barber shop. I usually use this sponge and a foam and eco gel. That's what I use to style my hair. These two, the foam and the eco gel, works magic for me, and then I finally spray the hair. Guys, and this is the outfit of the day. I'm yet to put on the sandals because I'll put them later. Here we are, Thika incoming, guys. I just realized how cute Thika Road looks without traffic, without no much cars on the road. It's so cute. Hapa ndio tunasema Kenya is beautiful. I'm already at Thika and in Mathai supermarket. Actually, guys, if you've watched my washing machine review, this is the place that I got the washing machine, because this is the place that they were selling it at the cheapest price. So I brought my mom here so that we can get hers, and I realized that they have so many new designs. I never left this lid design. Also, they have the top loaders, automatic washing machine like this. This is Mika. They have Samsung and variety of the machines. So this time round, I thought this place will be having the cheapest washing machine, but guys, prices are the same as the ones that I had seen from the other supermarket, because I have to window shop before I buy. So this is what we chose with my mom. So here she's being explained on how to use the washing machine and also doing the testing.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls.
So guys, I vlogged this to just tell you, if you're able to do something for your parents, always do them whenever you can. Guys, you can just look at the smile on my mom's face. She's so happy. She's so like happy. I don't know, happy. Yes, she's happy. So I'm just thankful that we were able to get the washing machine and her desire was fulfilled.
And on we'll go.
When you do good, good will always come back to you. My mom just got me a new handbag. This is the newest baby in my handbag collection. I'm truly thankful. Thank you so much, Mama. It's now time to hit the road and go back home. But before I go home, I'm going to go collect some fish.
Fueled by them to see the.
I'm already here waiting for my fish. Guys, I usually get my fish from Mama Dylan. I'm going to be showing you how the fish looks. I'm home already, and guys, the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is this lantern. This is how it turned out. It's so cute. It's so like, it's not like the lantern that you saw at the first time. Just comment below and tell me how you see this lantern. So guys, before I forget, let me show you the fish that I collected from Mama Dylan. This is how the fish looks. They are fresh from fish farm in Kisumu, Lake Victoria. Is it Lake Victoria? I guess. So this is how they look. They are fresh, only that she had frozen them because I was to collect them yesterday, but I couldn't be able to collect them, so I collected them today. These are two fish. She sells one at 250, but it usually depends on the size that you want. In cases that you need fish, I'm going to plug you to Mama Dylan because they are sweet and tasty tilapias. Those were two. I had more.
The storms we chase.
They are of good size. They are worth your money.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna wait.
Guys, I truly had a busy day and it's time now to prepare supper. It's around 8 p.m. So my husband offered to make me some supper and here he is preparing some ugali.
And on we'll go.
So guys, as supper is getting ready, I just freshened up and here I am to change my handbag because I really have to pack my handbag. Please don't mind my hair. This is my hair after I cleaned it before I apply my concoctions. So guys, I'm going to just pack my handbag for tomorrow and also maybe for the next 1 week. So I'm going to be packing my new bag. This is the new bag, the bag that my mother got me today. I'm so already in love with it because of how it looks. It's big enough, it can fit even a laptop.
No, I don't want no rest.
So let's see inside, let's see what is inside.
A song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
There is other more bags. There are 3 in 1.
Wastelands through the highways till my shadow.
So I'm going to get everything out of this small bag and then put it in the new bag, ready for the next week. I have my mask, my pads and my girls' essentials. I always have an umbrella in my handbag. Come rain, come sunshine. The weather in Kenya, in Nairobi, is not predictable, so mwavuli ni lazima. That's my bag for the next 1 week. I'm ready to face the new week. I'm so in love with it. I truly love it. It's a gift, and guys, I love gifts. I love gifts. And guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and until the next video, bye bye and take care of yourselves. Wacha mimi nikakule, tuonane in the next video.
We haven't played.